Welcome to HGreglux. Here we have a 2006 Dodge VIPER SRT 10. This car came with a clean Carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. Let's start with the front bumper. Okay, I'm not seeing, it's a little chip right there. Okay, I'm not seeing any scratches or dents nowhere else on the car, and all four wheels are in excellent condition. So the exterior is in good condition. Now let's take a look inside. Side is in good condition. Let's take a look at the passenger side. Now that I'm inside, let's have a look at the rest of the interior. First, let's start with the center console. Everything is fine there. Let's have a look at the steering wheel. Okay, the steering wheel looks perfect. So the interior of this car is in excellent condition. Now let's have a look at the trunk. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.